have been times in this life that I've questioned my purpose, and I feel like I can say with confidence that my purpose right now is to teach yoga. And it's my highest passion, it's my highest excitement, the joy that I get from seeing other people embody this physical vessel, unite with their spirit, and discover deeper aspects of the soul is what lights my fire. I specialize in teaching Hatha and Vinyasa classes, and in those styles of yoga, we unite the sun and the moon aspects of the selves, the masculine and the feminine, which is also part of my journey on this earth to find the balance between those two forces. My passion is to empower people with the practical tools for of a life full of vitality, a life full of authentic friendships, of community, of vibrant food, and of understanding. My intention is to unite people from all across the globe, from different races to different cultural backgrounds, and to bring us all together, to unify, to become one in the practice of yoga.